Welcome to our video on how to save money on Christmas gifts. Christmas is a time of joy and giving, but it can also be a time of financial stress. In this video, we will provide you with some practical tips and tricks to help you save money on Christmas gifts without sacrificing the joy of giving. Tip 1. Set a budget. The first step in saving money on Christmas gifts is to set a budget. Determine how much money you can afford to spend on gifts without putting yourself in debt. Once you have a budget in mind, stick to it. Avoid the temptation to overspend by keeping track of your expenses and staying within your budget. Tip 2. Make a list. Make a list of all the people you want to buy gifts for and the amount you plan to spend on each person. This will help you stay organized and avoid overspending. Consider making homemade gifts or giving experiences instead of material gifts. For example, you could offer to babysit for a friend or family member, or plan a fun outing together. Tip 3. Shop early. Start your Christmas shopping early to take advantage of sales and discounts. Avoid waiting until the last minute when prices are often higher. Consider shopping online to compare prices and find the best deals. Look for coupon codes and free shipping offers to save even more. Tip 4. Use cashback apps. Consider using cashback apps like Rakuten or Honey to earn cashback on your purchases. These apps offer discounts and cashback on purchases made through their links. You can earn cashback on everything from clothing to electronics, helping you save money on Christmas gifts. By following these tips, you can save money on Christmas gifts without sacrificing the joy of giving. Set a budget, make a list, shop early, and use cashback apps to save money on your purchases. Stay tuned for the next segment of our video, where we will provide you with more tips on how to save money on Christmas gifts. Welcome back to our video on how to save money on Christmas gifts. In this segment, we will provide you with some creative gift ideas that won't break the bank. Tip 1. DIY gifts. Consider making homemade gifts for your loved ones. Not only are they often more meaningful, but they can also be more affordable. Some DIY gift ideas include homemade candles, baked goods, or personalized photo albums. Tip 2. Gift baskets. Create a gift basket filled with small, thoughtful items that your loved one will appreciate. For example, you could create a small basket with bath bombs, lotions, and candles, or a movie night basket with popcorn, candy, and a DVD. Tip 3. Personalized gifts. Consider giving a personalized gift, such as a customized mug or a personalized photo frame. These gifts are often affordable and can be tailored to the recipient's interests and personality. Tip 4. Subscription boxes. Subscription boxes are a great gift idea that keeps on giving. You can find subscription boxes for everything from beauty products to snacks to books. Consider gifting a subscription box for a few months, or splitting the cost with a group of friends or family members. By getting creative with your gift ideas, you can save money on Christmas gifts while still showing your loved ones how much you care. Consider making DIY gifts, creating gift baskets, giving personalized gifts, or gifting subscription boxes. Stay tuned for the next segment of our video, where we will provide you with more tips on how to save money on Christmas gifts. Welcome back to our video on how to save money on Christmas gifts. In this segment, we will provide you with some smart shopping strategies to help you save money on your purchases. Tip 1. Price comparison. Before making a purchase, compare prices at different stores to ensure you are getting the best deal. Use websites like PriceGrabber or Google Shopping to compare prices online, or visit different stores in person to compare prices. Tip 2. Use discount codes. Before making an online purchase, search for discount codes or coupons to save money on your purchase. Websites like RetailMeNot or Coupons.com offer a wide range of discount codes for popular retailers. Tip 3. Shop secondhand. Consider shopping for gifts at secondhand stores or online marketplaces like eBay or Facebook Marketplace. You can often find gently used items in great condition at a fraction of the cost of buying new. Tip 4. Buy in bulk. If you're buying gifts for multiple people, consider buying in bulk to save money. For example, you could buy a set of candles or a pack of socks and divide them up as individual gifts. By using smart shopping strategies, you can save money on Christmas gifts without sacrificing quality. Compare prices, use discount codes, shop secondhand, and buy in bulk to save money on your purchases. We hope these tips have been helpful. Happy shopping and happy holidays.